Hey agents, we all know the market has changed and the environment, the landscape for 2023 is going to be a lot different than 2022. We all know there's less transactions to go around, and what are you going to be doing differently in 2023 that maybe you didn't do this year? Do you have a rock solid plan in place? We're actually going to be doing a live business planning workshop on November 3rd from 10 to 3 o'clock in Irvine, California. We've got a master plan coach that's going to be walking us through an incredible business planning session so you can leave with rock solid things to implement in your business for 2023. Because we all know if you do the same exact thing next year as you're doing right now, you're not going to be receiving the same results because there's less transactions to have out there. So join us November 3rd. Link is below. We look forward to seeing you there, and let's take our business to the next level in 2023.